Now, this is a shocking news from Howrah in Kolkata, where a girl reportedly jumped off from a height of some 40 feet off the third story of a building, and this was to avoid rape. The victim is now admitted in hospital. She has in fact begun speaking to police and media, giving her side of the story. 3 accused in this case have been arrested. They are likely to be produced in a local court soon.
আপনার ফোন পড়ে গেছিল?
ফোন ওই যে আমাকে ছুরি মারছিল না কাকু ওই নিয়ে নিছে।
Getting us more details on the story is my colleague Manogia Lovyal from Kolkata. Manogia, looks like the victim is now in a position to record her statements. Has that been done?
Well, that is being done in an hour or so. The medical tests have been conducted and we've been told that she's being given adequate time to recover and to be in the right state of mind so that she is able to recollect what the trauma she's gone through and express it in the perfect possible way so that police keeps a record against these 3 people who've been arrested. Now, these 3 people who've been arrested will be taken to the Howrah court in a while. They will be produced in the court for further action. We also told that the police is leaving no stone unturned on what went through and what were the possible reasons behind it, understanding that she was acquainted to these fellows and she was also possibly in relationship with one of the men who have been arrested. The fact that she was convinced into arriving at this area and then the act took place, we are given to understand that the police is also trying to understand that it's not just about the rape attempt but also the kind of atmosphere that might have been created around to convince her to reach that place. Now that is also being taken very seriously by them.
Manogia, briefly, do we know the background of these 3 men, and also were there only 3 men or there is a possibility of more accused being involved here?
Smita, we've been told that only 3 people were involved. One of them was in a relationship with a girl and he only convinced him to come from Richra all the way to Piara Bagan area in Howrah. Now remember, it's a very congested area. It is a locality which has a lot of people. When the girl jumped off from the 3-storied building, the locals took her immediately to the hospital, reported it to the police, and these 3 men who were there in the house at that time were arrested.
Right.
We've also been told that there were possibilities that there were other people, but however police has absolutely confirmed that there were only 3 people and all these 3 have been detained for now.
Okay, we'll leave it there. Manogia Lovyal is tracking the details and we will get you in fact more information on the story once these 3 men are also produced in a local court in a short while from now and the statement of that rape survivor is recorded by the police.